Hi, in this video I will show you the 5 mistakes that agents make with Zillow leads. I'll also show you how to fix them. So, first and foremost, we have delaying lead engagement or speed to lead failure. So, many agents wait too long before reaching out to new Zillow leads, assuming they can call later. However, online buyers are often searching multiple sites and expect rapid responses. So, the longer you wait, the more likely another agent will connect with them first. So, next on the list, we have giving up too soon on follow up. So, agents frequently abandon the leads after only one or two attempts, assuming unresponsiveness means it is interest. In reality, leads may simplify or may simply be busy or hesitant to answer unknown numbers. The agents who persist are the ones who eventually make the contact and win the business. Next on the list, we have relying too much on automated alerts and not personalizing engagement. So, automated listing alerts are useful, but nearly every agent and portal sends them. Leads quickly become numb to generic communications, making it hard to stand out. So, to fix it, you can supplement automated alerts with personalized messages referencing the lead's specific interest or activity. The next on the list is the over reliance on Zillow as a single lead source. So, focusing only on Zillow leads is risky, as competition is fierce, costs are high, and you have little control over your brand or the quality of leads. If Zillow changes its model or your ad spend becomes unstable, your pipeline dries up. So, to fix it, you can diversify your lead generation by building your own website, optimizing for SEO, and nurturing organic leads. So, last but not the least, we have failing to nurture cold or unresponsive leads. So, agents often neglect leads who aren't immediately ready to transact, focusing only on hot prospects. However, many Zillow leads are early in their journey and need time and consistent engagement before they're ready to act. So, to fix it, you can use your CRM to schedule regular, light touch follow ups like market updates, tips, and relevant articles in order to get in touch with them every now and then. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.